Hey, SAT reviewers. Mr. Chu here with 3 more SAT review problems. Let's get to them. So this is problems 9 to 11 on Module 3, Video 3. There are 2 playlists of 1 to 27 problems from Module 1 and 2 you can check out on my YouTube channel. The College Board released these for review for this important test. Some problems will be easy, others will be harder. Most of these problems involve algebra, geometry, or other math that you went through preparing for this important test. The topics vary from question to question. I do not group them based on their subject matter, their content, or what they're asking. I just show you the same order that they are in the modules. Like this video if it's helpful. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X. I got lots of videos that'll help you. Here's the long link to that YouTube channel. There are subscribe buttons around that you can click. Make sure if you have any questions about math, you can email me at askmrchu@gmail.com and I'll get back to you. Let's get to our problems. If you have to pause this, go ahead and do so. 9 and 10 are both multiple choice questions. We will go through them. So here's a graph of a line. It's a linear equation. It says the graph represents the total charge in dollars by an electrician for X hours of work. He charges a one-time fee plus an hourly rate. What's the best interpretation of the slope of the line? Well, A, it's saying the electrician's hourly rate. B, the electrician's one-time fee. C, the maximum amount that the electrician charges. And D, the total amount that the electrician charges. So let's just go through this and analyze it. Remember, you can always write an equation of a line, if need be, in y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form. It has a positive slope m because it's going up from left to right. And b would be the y-intercept, and the y-intercept would be that one-time fee. It would be right here. That would be the y-intercept. That means no matter how much time it takes, that is going to be the one-time fee. So we know that the slope is not the one-time fee. Remember, the slope is the change of y over x. So it starts at 0b, that is that one-time fee, that is the y-intercept. The slope would represent the electrician's hourly rate, so that would be choice A. Now, why did we rule out C and D? C would be the maximum amount that they charge, which could be right here, which would be the maximum amount based on this. That's not his slope, which is the change. Change is based on how long it takes. And the total amount would be up here as well. So that means it would be choice A. Number 10. Square X has a side length of 12 centimeters. The perimeter of square Y is 2 times the perimeter of square X. So we've got 2 squares. Square X, square Y. What's the length in centimeters of one side of square Y? So let's go ahead and review. The perimeter of a square can be found taking up and multiplying the side times 4. So P equals 4 times S. The perimeter of square X is going to be 4 times 12, which is 48, because I substituted the S equals 12 into the equation. So the perimeter of square Y is 2 times that of X. So the perimeter of Y is 2 times 48, which equals 96 when I substituted that amount in. So if the perimeter of Y is 96, to find S, you're just going to take 96 equals 4S, divide the 96 by 4, and the 4S by 4. So I just take and divide the left by 4, the right by 4. These 4's cancel, and 96 divided by 4 is 24. So that'd be choice D. Hopefully you're able to get these 2 right. We got one more. So in the next one, it says, What's the equation of the line that passes through the point 0, 5 and is parallel to the graph of y equals 7x plus 4 in the xy plane? If you paid attention in your algebra class, you probably would automatically know the answer. But I'll go through this step by step, and then I'll show you what that shortcut would have been. Remember, you can always write an equation in the form y equals mx plus b, just like I talked about in the earlier problem. M would be the slope, B would be the y-intercept. The new equation passes through 0, 5, which is the y-intercept. And I can substitute that for B. The equation y equals 7x plus 4 has a slope of m equals 7. And if you remember from your algebra and geometry classes, parallel lines have the same slope. So the new equation, the line parallel to the given line, is m equals 7. And I can substitute back in and get y equals 7x plus 5, which is choice B. So what was the shortcut? Well, I know that this ends up being the y-intercept, which is my B. And so you just substitute it in knowing that two parallel lines have the same slope. All right. So hopefully these three weren't too bad. Follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X. I've got lots of helpful videos. There's a link with all 27 problems from both modules 1 and 2 that are done. And I'm building in module 3 now. And more often than I put more in, you can check those out. Remember, there is the long YouTube link that you can type in the browser. There are also subscribe buttons around. You can send any questions you have about math, and I will either make a video for you or reply to your email with my answer. There are no stupid questions. Help me spread the word. I want you to know that Mr. Chu will help students with math questions. I have what's called Bear Algebra, which is my algebra video curriculum, and Brack Geometry, named after my two dogs, Bear and Brack. I also have Tray Arithmetic and Pre-Algebra, named after my cat, Tray. I do Math Minute videos, which are a little bit shorter on varying topics, and this is my SAT test prep. So I'll see you in the next video. I did just recently upload 2 new Bear Algebras and 2 new Brack Geometries. So remember, I'm Mr. Chu, and I want to help you understand the SAT, Algebra, Geometry, and Arithmetic. So I'll see you in the next video. Mr. Chu out.